What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day. Today, I want to quickly look at Bitcoin to see what it's doing. Then I'm going to look at one chart from a guy named CryptoCon that he thinks maybe we could go down to 31,000 in Bitcoin price. I'll give you my opinion on that. We'll take a look at his chart. Interesting, compelling. And I'm going to highlight one token. I'm going to highlight, I think maybe this week I'm going to highlight just one token for the week, one low cap gem. And this one is Stobox, and why FUD has caused it to be at a great buy zone. Okay, so if you're looking for a 100x gem, take a look at this video so you can see Stobox. And so without further ado, let's do this. Bitcoin on the day, okay, EMAs, exponential moving averages, 20, 50, 100, and 200, okay, right here. So look at the 20, interestingly enough, since, let's say from here, since September 2023, we've only lost it once, and as far as once, this was actually 4 to 5 days before we got over it again. Okay, 2 days in November, just playing. We didn't really lose it there. We lost it here, we could say, in December, and then we definitely lost it from January 12th to the 26th. That was the longest one. That was the longest time below it that we've been in since September of 2023. Okay, and right now it is holding pretty strongly at support right here. Pretty strongly, and that's good. Let's see if that continues. Now let me show you. Check this out. Thought this was pretty okay. This is from CryptoCon. Credit to him on Twitter. And basically, this blue line is where Bitcoin price has gone back to 150 profit. After it goes over it comes back and tests. Okay, as you can see here, 2012. 2016, very similar. I don't think it really touched it, but yeah, it came back down close to it. 2019, retest. Same thing in 2020. Now, here we are right now in 2024. Should we expect the same thing? If we are to expect the same thing, then our bet would be that Bitcoin is going to get down to 31,300, which will be like around here. I'm going to take this stuff off. Here, right around here. It's possible. I'm not saying that it's not. I just think the probabilities are low, unless it starts happening relatively soon. Because again, guys, remember this whole thing right here. This whole Bitcoin halving thing has been historically strong. Okay, has been something that has caused, for whatever reason, has caused the price of Bitcoin to go up. And the reason, well, I guess we argued that it's scarcity. Although that scarcity argument might be less and less with each passing Bitcoin halving. I don't know. But personally, how I see it, I don't see us going back down here. Not with this ETFs. I will say this, because of the ETFs, and all of the buying, the positive price pressure that they cause, I don't think we go down there. Now, if all of a sudden things go dry and no one's buying these ETFs, then I could see. But I don't think that's. I put that as low probabilities too. And so if prices continue, if the interest continues on these ETFs, which these companies have a vested interest to make sure their sales teams really push these ETFs, so I don't see them drying up. The invisible hand at play at that point, greed at play at that point from these salespeople trying to get more money into these ETFs because it benefits them. I just don't see us going down here. We'll see what time will tell. And you know what? If it does happen, I am gonna find money. I'm gonna find money where there isn't, and I will put money into the markets, because I would imagine there were going to be some really good deals if that happens. And it's not like I don't welcome it. I would welcome it, because that helps me position myself even better, and I'm already well positioned. So do with that information what you will. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin. Do you think we're going to go down there? I personally don't, but again, there is compelling evidence to say that maybe we do. Okay. So we gotta always be open-minded and look at things as logically and as cold, with as little bias as possible. Of course, we're not going to get rid of all the bias, but I mean that's the intent. That's the intent. All right, so now let's take a look at Stobox. Okay, another wick that dropping. Okay, now why are we seeing this? Although it's normal. Okay, first of all, it's very normal after a move, right? And there is probably strong support here. I don't know if we're going to go down there and touch it, but it seems like it wants to, right at 5 cents. Right now it's at 6 cents. It's been as high as almost 20 cents, 18 cents, guys. All right, so it's a hell of a deal right now. Let's see from that high down. It's a 63% decline. That's a 63% sale, basically 63% off sale buying this project. And when I was talking to you guys maybe about it, I'd hear you guys were like, damn, I missed it. Right? But now you see it here and you're like, oh no, I'm not gonna buy that. It's crazy, right? It's crazy how the mind works. But this project, why is this happening? Aside from the fact that it's just natural to retrace in the crypto world for altcoins, why has it dropped this much here? This part right here, because of FUD. Because of FUD, the community wants a tier 1 listing. Okay, and they're saying this is the CEO. The CEO is not doing what he says. They're not keeping their promise. Yada yada yada, and the community's pissed, and that's why we're seeing this. I see that, and I think buying opportunity, guys. It's buying opportunity. It's not. It's FUD. This is dropped even more because of that whole what is the community having? Not a fit. Community having a temper tantrum. Because of a temper tantrum, this is what that is. Okay, so I think it's a great buying opportunity on a great, honestly, a great project.
In respect of listing.
So what this guy says right here, this is by the CEO Gene, 9 hours ago, talking about the same exact thing, and giving his reasons why, you know, they're not going to spend, you know, $100-something thousand to get listed, plus extra coins and everything, when they have to pay, when they have a business to get listed, when they have a business that requires capital for them to continue. And it's a good business. They've been doing it for like 5 years in that business, and they got this basically. And he came off really good. You can see this I posted it on my channel, or you can follow him too at DEYEVGENE. Okay, Dayev Gene. All right, this is Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. And so, seeing all this, going into the community, talking, it's all it is just FUD, people upset. Okay, so this is a really, really good buying opportunity, and I wanted to highlight it because this is one of my higher conviction plays, Stobox. All right, I think this project is going to do really well. It's already done well. All right, let me zoom out for you. It's already done well. Reverse, inverse head and shoulders, right? This one broke out of that area, as you can see, and it's coming back to retest, it seems, or close to that area. So that's interesting. Once this is done, guys, doing this, it's gonna go up, and it's gonna go up hard. This thing is gonna fly. This crypto is gonna do really well, and this is a great buying zone, honestly. Even if it drops more, again, just use the strategy of dollar cost averaging. I definitely, if you are interested in this project, definitely see what this guy says. You know, get a feel for how he sounds like. Is this guy being authentic? Is he being true? Does what he's saying make sense? Make your decision. All right, but this project is really good. I already know what my decision is. I'm gonna hold. Had I not just been well positioned in this project, and had I had some more capital, I would actually buy more. Right? Because it's hard to buy. It's hard to find tokens, and I look all the time. It's very hard to find good projects. Okay, Soon versus one. You know, and I try to find other projects because you just never know, you know. And I have found a couple of them that look somewhat promising, but they have buy taxes or something, or I don't know. They're not in coin market cap. You have to go to Dex Tools or another thing like that. And I mean, that doesn't say too negative about it, but I would like it to at least be on coin market cap or CoinGecko or something, you know. So I'm still looking. I like my picks. I like my picks. Right. I like the projects that I bring to your attention, the projects that I watch, the projects that I'm in. Okay. And when I don't like them, I let you know too. All right. So for right now, I'm just going within what's in my watch list, and I haven't added anything new. Although I keep looking, it's hard to find. All right. So when you do find projects that are worthwhile, especially low cap gems like this one, Stobox, man, when these opportunities come and you have capital, dry powder, and you're looking for a project, well, here it is. Look no further. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. Do with that information what you will. I really like Stobox. I'm really bullish on Stobox, and I think right now it's a great buying opportunity. And if I had capital, I would buy more, although I'm well positioned, so thankful for that. And Bitcoin, could we go down to 31,000? I don't think so, but anything is possible. And if that does happen, I will find money. I will do what I have to do. I will get a friggin', I don't know, a job working at McDonald's to pay whatever debt I have to take on to get capital and put it into these markets at 31,000. Okay, I'm so well positioned that at these levels I want to get, but it's not worth doing what I have to do to get capital. But at 31,000, then yes, it would be. All right. Guys, if you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about Bitcoin, what you guys think about the market, how long we're gonna be around these levels, how long before the next leg up. That's what I want to know. How long before the next leg up, in your opinion? All right, see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.